Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I want to show you what we got here. We got this wireless headphone OnTrac Dyson wireless headphone with active noise cancelling, high quality Dyson OnTrac wireless headphone with active noise cancelling, up to 55 hours battery life. You have ANC copper over ear replacement, active noise cancelling, wireless Bluetooth. This headphone is best in class noise cancelling. They block out unwanted noise with 8 active noise cancelling microphone to cancel up to 40 decibel of unwanted noise for full immersive listening experience, so you don't miss a beat. You can listen for up to 2 weeks, up to 55 hours of battery life, even with active noise cancelling switched on, which is great. And if you don't need more, a 10 minutes charge delivers 2.5 hours of extra battery. 30 minutes charge deliver 9.5 hours. This headphone enhance sound range from 6 Hz to 21 kHz. You hear more and feel more, and you go beyond conventional range to sense every note, beat, whisper. You can create your own color. You make your headphones with your own customizable outer caps, ear cushions in a range of colors and finishes. This headphone will help you to listen in comfort. You can enjoy your music all day long. This headphone is compatible with Dyson automatic software update throughout the life of the device. It's lightweight strength. Outer cap machined from high grade aluminum for a lighter weight and durable finish for longer lasting comfort. It's with simple touch control. Intuitive joystick allow you to play, pause, skip, fast track and rewind through tracks, and also on hold down for voice commands. 1 lithium-ion battery. So control tab, you have button control, voice control, app control, calls control, media control, noise control, Siri, touch control and volume control. You can use it for calling, gaming, music, travel and exercise. We're going to unbox this, check it out and see what is inside. Dyson. So you download Dyson app. Look at that. This is awesome. It's lightweight. See the box. I like the packaging. Well secured. See what it looks like. It's orange and silver with gray frame. The top is aluminum and this is cushion. The battery is on the top. Really soft foam and cushion. Fiber. This is what we have here. In this packaging, we have the cable, type C, C to C cable. And this goes in here. C to C cable included in the packaging. So this is the information pack and stuff included in the packaging, so you can select all the caps and cushions. This is Dyson OnTrac. This is what we have here. See the box, you just need to scan the QR code. This is brilliant stuff, high quality super class. See, rotate very easily. The first button on the left is for you to switch this on and off, and the light is on, showing us a green light. So switch this on and off from this button. This headphone is very comfy, beautiful. Very nice. And your ear is inside the cushion, and it's well sealed up inside it. On this side, it's very comfortable and soft. You can use this all day for a long period of time. You see, this is what it looks like. It's very comfy. Yeah, Dyson OnTrac. And the good thing is you can customize the foam. You can also change, so you can change it to various caps, you know, depending on the particular one you like. But this one is, you can see, is silver with gray frame and orange foam. This is Dyson OnTrac. This is awesome headset, very comfortable. Yeah, so I thought to show you this headset, and yeah, I'm quite happy with it. This is Dyson OnTrac headset.